Hi, Adam from Tentworld Ipswich. I'd like to show you today one of my all-time favourites, and thousands of Australians have used these in the past. It's the latest edition of the BlackWolf Deluxe mat. The one we've got here today is the double size. They call it a queen size. When applying it to your stretches, check your measurements. This guy is 10 centimetres thick. It's very comfortable foam. It's 135 centimetres wide and 198 centimetres long, which gives you a really good size mat. The other thing that's really cool with these guys is the new air valves. They're really big air valves to allow for fast inflation and fast deflation. It folds in half and rolls up, and I'm going to show you how that unrolls now and what it comes with. It comes with a carry bag, which is a waterproof cover. Also doubles as an inflation bag, which you can fold the top and use the valve below attached to the mat to pump it up. If you want it overinflated, that is. It comes with a little repair kit, a patch and glue. Comes with your warranty information as well. It's got two straps on the mattress. We're going to unfold it now and just show you how quick this can go up. So it's really easy and quick to use. Now this is a double mattress. It is a fold in half roll, so it makes it really compact. New valve and cap assemblies on these new mattresses are great. They've got a swing two-way valve to allow air in or to allow air out. There's one on each corner, and if we undo both of those and lay it out, the mattress inflates really fast. You can hear it already. So we just leave that for a moment and the mattress will puff up. The bag is only there for extra inflation. It's often not needed at all. Now it's nicely inflated, we're gonna just turn those caps around to seal the mat and do up the cap tight to make it airtight. Being a bonded mat, that means that the fabric is glued to the foam. It doesn't lift off the foam. And the foam in these BlackWolf mats is pretty much the best you can find. They're very comfy, and the single edge seam hasn't got two edges, it's got a single edge seam, makes it roll up really flat. So when you're finished with the mat, looking at the valves, it's a two-way valve. You can turn it to the way that lets air come out, like that. And the idea is, try and let your body weight do all the work. So we're gonna try and get the air out and then we'll fold and roll it. So the valves allow the air to escape, hopefully without letting it all back in while we're trying to fold it. It's much easier with two people, but today I'll just do it on my own. So with bulk of the air out of the mat, it's now much easier to fold and much easier to roll on your own. So you can see it starts to inflate there. Just continue rolling until the end of the mat. Okay, so that's the last bit. Now you secure the straps around it, do up your bungs and pop it in the bag. So there you go. Come into the store and check them out and give them a try for yourself. You can see them in one of our stores, or you can read about them on our website at tentworld.com.au.